Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Down by the harbour today, just trying to get as many films as we can get done. Probably going to be quite a busy day, me and Mike probably even coming back out tonight. Got a few guys fishing down there. Not sure if they've caught anything yet. Normally when me and Mike come fishing, we actually never catch anything. Yeah, that's all we catch, seaweed. Oh, nice boat that. What the hell is that boat? The hell? That like a booze cruise boat or something?
A what?
A booze cruise boat.
It's more for booze cruise.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm just thinking, because it's got like wooden decking and it's got a sink.
Fishing trips.
Yeah, maybe that's like for fishing trips or something. Not too sure on that. Do they have the boat trips, jet skis, all that going out all day as well, guys? You can get like boat trips to Peacock Island, Altea, Calpe, Villa Hiosa, Alicante, Torbaca and Santa Paula. Not bad. Beautiful day as well. If I just zoom in a bit from here, you can make out the market in Ultra Park. Does sound like there's a plane out as well, but can't see it. Anyway, beautiful day, 27 degrees, always nice and relaxing down by the harbour. Always nice to take a look at all the boats as well. Wonder if he knows that isn't a police bike. Anyway, guys, hope you all having a beautiful day. But, oh yeah, looks like the crane's getting a boat in. Not sure if he'll be able to catch it. You do of course have the terrace sea view restaurant. I think that's rather quite expensive. I've not been in there yet, however, so I'm not too sure. Not sure what they're doing there. Are they getting a boat in or what?
I've just got one in, mate.
Yeah, maybe they've just bought a boat in. Got the steps up to the castle there. Be warned, guys, them steps are very steep. They do tire you out quite a lot as well if you do plan on going up into the castle. Numerous times Me and my Mike's been up him and been out of breath. Malpass Beach as well, just in the corner. Just sort of coming back round now down the side of the cafe and my restaurant. Do of course have the cafeteria vending machines. Just see how much a Coke is. Coke €2. Probably better off going Euro shop or an actual supermarket. A Twix €1.50. Bag of Doritos $1.80. So you'll probably be a whole lot cheaper going to the Euro shop. Coffee machine as well. They are quite cheap. Got the memorial as well. I'm trying to remember, is that the Virgin Mary or something? I'm not sure if it's the Virgin Mary or like a replica of the statue they found on that boat that was meant to come into Benidorm. I can't remember the whole story, but yeah, I'm pretty sure if you look up the story online, you'll probably find it. Beautiful day, got some nice apartments and hotels up on the rocks there as well, just in the alleyways. Few stray cats having a little fight as well.
You know what you could do, Marcus?
What?
Let's go and find out
If they know what?
what the statue is.
Yeah, does anyone know what that statue I just showed you is? Comment down below. You do of course have the famous tree. Been here since I first started coming Benidorm. When we first come, I actually had a picture by this tree as a little kid. Yeah, I think that maybe took one of the branches out, I think. Yeah, I think it was this branch here. I had like a bottle of pop and I just sort of was like posing.
Behind it like this.
Yeah, behind it or something. Benidorm had my toe as well. Skinhead. Anyway, I think I will probably end the video here. So hit the like, hit subscribe, and of course I will see you in the next video.
So you sat on the cat then, Marcus?
Anyway, adios guys, love you all.